Maile Collmer, and in my video today it's just me. I usually have a client with me. Today I am going to take what some of my clients have shared with me that they want me to share with you. And it's in regards to Room Full of Referrals, which is one of my most popular workshops, and it's based on DISC, behavioral styles. So there's 4 basic behavioral styles that we all have, all 4 of them, just in varying degrees of intensity. And when we understand the different behavioral styles, it allows us to understand people at a whole different level. And what my clients want me to share with you is that it's not just about the relationships you have with your referral team, your referral sources, understanding them, which is definitely a key. It's really important, and a lot of people come with their referral team, with their BNI chapter to Room Full of Referrals. But it's even more than that. It's about understanding people, and when we're in business, we have all kinds of people that we interact with. Obviously, we're looking to earn business from people, our potential clients, and we also have staff and vendors and other people we interact with. So when we understand the different behavioral styles, we can have such better productive conversations and really reaching and connecting people in a way where we can foster, just happiness and growth and just whatever we need to accomplish, and just have a more pleasing environment because we're creating happier places because the communication is good and we understand and respect other people. So I'll give you an example of one of the successes. One of the folks who came to my Room Full of Referrals workshop, he is a big burly contractor, and he was working with this sweet little lady and trying to earn her business. And he didn't realize how he was coming across to her or what he really needed to say to really connect with her and earn the business. And he'd had several conversations and consultations with her, and she still hadn't said yes. So during the workshop, he had this huge aha, and he's like, I know how to connect with her and what to say to her. He had just a 10-minute phone call conversation with her after the workshop, and she said yes, which led to a 6-figure project. So just understanding how to relate to people and understanding what do they need, and that's communicated to them. So when we can communicate that need and make them feel comfortable and confident that moving forward, their needs are going to be met because we understood their need at the outset. So those are the type of things that happen. And when we collaborate with our other referral sources and referral team members, we can have a higher level of communication about how to serve our mutual clients. So if we're referring people to one another, we can share, here's their behavioral style, and we have an understanding of how to connect and communicate with them right away and know their expectations of how they like to be served, because where they're coming from, their needs and things like that. So there's so much to explore and learn about people, and it's so interesting, wouldn't you say? So we can uncover what makes people tick and understand that at a different level. We can really enjoy people more and help people at a different level and really serve them and just have more fun together. So that's a little bit more about Room Full of Referrals. I'm happy that I've got 2 BNI chapters in Pleasanton and Livermore who've come together, and they will be hosting me for that program, that half-day workshop, and it will be on September 13th down in Pleasanton, and there will be more details available on the link below. So would love to see you. If you have any questions, please get a hold of me. And in referral business, it's all about people and connection. So stay connected and pass on those referrals.